So, for today's video, I was just in the shower and I had a brilliant idea. I want to make banana bread! Now, before we start with this video, make sure you go and subscribe. So that way, you'll never miss another episode of
Baking in Quarantine.
Or just baking in general, whenever this video comes out. These are the ingredients you will need. 8 tablespoons of butter, or 1 stick of butter. We are using tablespoon butter. 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 medium bananas that are nice and ripe, right out of the freezer. Gross. 1/4 cup of milk, 2 cups of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, let's start baking some
Banana bread.
Let's start by preheating the oven at 350 degrees. Now, let's take your butter and melt it. And with the magic of TV, this will be melted. Ding! Melted butter. Alright, now we're gonna take this butter and put it in this bowl. Yes! Now we're gonna take our 1 cup of sugar and mix it with the butter. Next, you take the 2 eggs. 1 and 2. Ooh, messy. Perfect, now we're gonna mix that in. Oh no! I have a shell in here! Ugh, no shells. Terrible. A little paper towel. Alright, so we're gonna mix in the eggs. Now we're gonna add the milk and the vanilla. So you take your 1/4 cup of milk, pour it all in there. Throw that away. Then you have your vanilla. And how much vanilla we need? We need a teaspoon of vanilla. Ooh, a little extra. Still never hurt nobody. Get rid of this vanilla. We don't need her anymore. Do a little mixy mix. Now we get to cut these terrible bananas. You need some ripe banana. Oh God, I can't even get it open. Yeah, let's cut this bad boy open. Like I'm doing surgery or something. It's like I'm doing a penis surgery. Now, we just take a fork and mash them in. You can take a fork or a blender, depending on how chunky you want your bananas. Because I like chunky bananas. Chunky bananas. I have to fix myself. Put yourself together, woman. Okay. Now that the bananas are all mashed up, now we're gonna add our flour. 2 cups of flour. Here's 1 and 2. Y'all know flour is my favorite thing to get out. 2 cups of flour. Finally, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're gonna do a little mixy mix. Again, I'm an old woman mixing my banana bread by hand. Hey, it still works. It just takes a little longer. Just mixing it all together. Alright, you fabulous little bakers. Now's the time we grease our pan. Grease our pan. Greasy. Oh! That does not feel right. We're going to pour our mixture of banana bread into our pan. Ooh, yes, just like that. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. Smells delicious. All right, you fabulous little bakers. Time to put her in the oven. Now that she's in the oven, we are gonna bake her for 50 to 65 minutes. So around 50 minutes, make sure you give her a little check to make sure she's doing well. All right? So we'll see you back real soon to taste this lovely bread. What are we cooking? Banana bread. That's what the hell we're cooking. We're cooking banana bread. Be back in 60. Oh, did you pause it? No. Did you pause it?
Right.
Oh.
You're right.
We'll be back in 50 minutes. So go, take a nap. I'll finish my shower. Maybe I like staying like this. Meh.
Hi everybody, my name is Melton. I'm a dirty, nasty puta. I'm a little nasty puta. Dirty, nasty puta. I'm bored, and this is what I do when I wait for my cake.
Oh! What's that sound? Our banana bread is done! Yay! Alright, let's get this bitch out of the oven. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. She nice and hot. Toothpick test! Now, I've never made banana bread, so I hope this is how it's supposed to... Stupid bitch. Now, I hope this turns out alright, and I hope this is what it's supposed to look like. I've never made banana bread before, but we're gonna eat this bitch! Taste testing time! Alright, you fabulous bakers, taste test time! Ooh, ow, shit, ow, ow. This is, woo, caliente! Woo! Hot, hot. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you make this, let me know how it turns out. Tag me on Instagram and Facebook and social medias. It's actually really good. Now, you can add as many bananas as you like. This recipe says that it's very fluctuated. Like, you can do whatever you like to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment and share. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see anything else. If you want me to cook anything else, I'll cook it for you and taste test, and we'll see what we got. Until next time, cheers, queers! Oh, fuck.